Yeah, question number 103 of 2024 by the Honorable Member for Foni Kansala again.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, could the Honorable Minister of Defense explain to this August Assembly, with reasons rejecting the reinstatement of Omar Sajo of the Gambia Armed Forces after the Chief of Defense Staff was written to from the High Court to order Thursday, 31st of March 2022. The Armed Forces is equally ordered to pay all his wages from the date of the purported termination of his service on the 18th of March 2018 to the date of reinstatement. Thank you.
Thank you. Honorable Speaker, I was told that a legal opinion was issued in the case of Omar Sajo, and the Armed Forces Command is currently reviewing those legal opinions. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker, Honorable Minister, I have a document that illustrates a court ruling from the High Court of the said person. Who is the Army to subject to a legal opinion, and what mandate is vested on the Army to do so? Thank you.
The court order was sent to the Gambia Armed Forces, and currently they are reviewing the subject matter, and they will come back in response to this legal opinion.
Honorable Minister, the same issue, the lawyer of the applicant, based on the power vested on him, wrote to the Army and copied to various authorities. Yet still the Army is laying a deaf ear in this. Can you tell this August Assembly what mandate is vested under the Army to do so? Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. It was a legal opinion that was presented to the Armed Forces for review, and currently the Army is reviewing that subject matter.
Honorable Member for Foni Jarol.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Thank you, Honorable Minister. Honorable Minister, why would it take so long to implement a court order when coups were reinstated into the Army without a court judgment?
Well, like I have already indicated, it is under review, and then we will wait for the conclusion of the review, and then this August Assembly will be informed of the outcomes. Thank you.
Honorable Member for Woolly East.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Minister, since the court has made a judgment and ordered for the person's reinstatement, don't you think taking too long may tantamount to contempt of the court?
Well, my answer remains the same. We will wait for the outcome of that. Thank you.
Nominated member
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker, for giving me the floor. Honorable Minister, can you kindly inform this August Assembly? Because before the dismissal of Mr. Sajo, there is a rumor going around that Mr. Sajo was said to be the son of the MFDC rebel leader, Salif Sajo. What led to his termination, and whether that is true or not?
Well, I may not be in a position to provide those informations. What I know is that the communication between the courts and the Gambia Armed Forces High Command on this subject matter regarding the discharge of Omar Sajo. So what we are saying is that already the opinion has been received and it is now being reviewed. Thank you.
Honorable Member for Banjul South.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, can the Honorable Minister tell us here, what the Honorable Minister is telling us here, that he is blatantly disregarding court order? can he tell us why? Or is he telling us that they are above the court? Because court orders should be, judgments must be respected. Does that mean that he is the Honorable Minister, are you telling us that court orders, judgments should be ignored in this country, so there is no law in this country? Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Member. Like I said, I was informed that a legal opinion was sent to the Gambia Armed Forces Command. It was a legal opinion, which is under review currently.
Honorable Member for Busumbala.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Minister, you keep on telling us that the matter, this thing is under review by the legal office. Can the court judgment be subjected to a review by your legal department?
Thank you, Honorable Member. I have not received the court judgment on this matter. What I have been informed is the legal opinion that was sent for GAF to review and then to provide answers. Thank you.
Honorable Minority Leader, Member for Brikama North.
Yeah, I want the Honorable Minister to provide to this August Assembly the said legal opinion that was sent to your office.
Thank you, Honorable Member. I will come back to this Assembly and then to try and provide that. Thank you.
The question is, will you provide the Assembly with a copy of that legal document?
Yes, Honorable Speaker. I will try to get the legal opinion from GAF and I will provide it to this Assembly.